Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Jackson local and long-distance movers. Near me. Even if it's within the same state, a move is considered long distance if it covers more than 50 miles. We're capable of relocating your possessions locally, statewide, even interstate. We are in excellent standing with the local and federal authorities in charge of all moves. We also have insurance plans in place to cover risk liabilities while your items are being relocated, because we care about our customers and their belongings. Our movers and drivers are the most conscientious, and your items will be delivered in the same condition as they were before the relocation. You won't have to worry about being overcharged because all of our services are reasonably priced. Local relocations are typically less expensive than long-distance relocations, and you can rest assured that ours will be no exception. Our rates are reasonable and cheap, ranging from $30 to $40 an hour. We'll provide you with good value for your money if you hire our licensed and attentive local movers. We're used to dealing with congested cities and places, and we'll get your belongings into your new house as soon as feasible. Our professional team of local movers will assist you in making the best selections possible when it comes to moving plans. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jackson Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.